Hey guys, did you know that you tell people a lot about yourself with just your body language, especially your posture, without you even realizing it? Now, good posture will not just improve the way that you look, but it helps to build strength, flexibility, and balance in your body. And this all reduces that stress that bad body posture puts on your muscles, ligaments, and spine. And it causes most of the back and shoulder and neck pain that people get without them even realizing. They don't understand that it's actually their bad posture. And you can fix it. Now, if you always slouch, it not only puts a lot of stress on your backbone, but also smashes your organs together. And it makes it difficult for your intestines and your lungs to work effectively. And if you do this for too long, you might get problems in breathing and digesting food. Now, apart from that, let's talk about appearance, the way you present yourself to other people. If you improve your body posture, it will improve the way that you look. Your appearance, your chin and neckline will look more defined, your chest will look better and more prominent, you will look more athletic, and you will look more confident and ready to take on the world. So how do you do this? How do you improve your bad body posture? Well, I'm gonna explain it to you.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.
Now, the first thing that you need to know is the difference between good posture and bad posture. Bad posture usually comes from bad habits. Things like sitting too long in front of a desk, working on a laptop, using your phone too much, watching TV, or even driving the car. Now, of all of these things happening to you every single day, these bad habits, gravity brings you down. So it looks like this, and you let it happen. So your back bends forwards, your shoulders come with it, that goes forward, and your neck as well. It goes forward and a little bit down. This is bad body posture. You don't want this. What you want is this. Straight back, straight shoulders, not to the front, but back, and a straight neck. Not forward, but here. Now I get it, it does look weird if you walk like this everywhere. But you do need to improve your posture as much as possible so that you can still look natural and not weird. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to get rid of your bad habits. This is the most important thing that you have to start with. Every time you catch yourself slouching, while you sit and work on the computer, sit up straight. When you catch yourself looking at your phone with your head forward and down, bring your phone up and make your neck straight. Now, the second thing that you can do to improve your bad body posture is stretching exercises. Now, there are actually many that you can do and they all work great, but I'm just gonna give you the 7 best, according to me, of course. So let's start with the first one. Now this one is easy. All you need is a door frame. All you need to do is stand in front of the door frame, take one step forward with your body weight on it, and bring your arms up above your head. Hold it there for about 15 to 30 seconds. You'll feel your pecs stretch and your back straightening as well. Now you can hold your arms here at different positions. So lower your arms a little, right next to you, and keep it there for 15 seconds. And lastly, lower it even more and keep it there for 15 seconds. So this helps you to get out of this slouchy forward position to open up. Your back is straight, your shoulders is back and straight, your neck is up and straight as well. This is what you want. The second stretch you can easily do at home, works for your lower back. And this is the Superman. Lay down on the floor, then raise your legs off the ground and stretch your arms out right in front of you. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. The next exercise is gonna help these back muscles that's been weakened because of this forward slouchy movement all the time. And this muscle group is called the thoracic area. So how are you going to stretch it and make it stronger? Face pulls. You can do face pulls at the gym or at home with a resistance band. If you don't go to the gym, if you work out at home and you want a resistance band, I'll add some good options for you in the video description down below as always. But you can also work out these muscles without any equipment at home. with the door frame. All you gotta do is stand in front of the door frame, arms on the frame, lean back, and pull yourself forward. Another great exercise is that you can stretch your back with a foam roller. If you don't have one, then I'll add one for you in the video description that you can check out. But then again, if you don't want to buy one, you can just use towels. Just take 3 to 4 towels together and roll them up. Then just put them on the ground, lay down on it with your spine all the way from your tailbone to your head. And if the towels are too short, just get a pillow for your head. Now you can use another towel or a broom or even a golf club and move it with both hands from your legs over your head and back again. And then you just do this slowly for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how your body feels. Now, if for some reason you don't have another towel or a broomstick or whatever to use with both hands, then you can also do angel stretches. So start by moving your arms from the bottom next to your sides all the way up over your head and back. And again, do this for 1 to 2 minutes. Another exercise that you can do if for some reason you don't like lying on the floor is the wall posture exercise. If you can't do this really well, then you know that your posture is probably not good or your body is too stiff. You can actually do this with me right now. Go to the wall, put your hips, back, shoulders and head against the wall. Now your whole body posture will be in the right position. Your feet can actually be a few inches away from the wall. Remember not to tilt your head or chin down. Head straight and chin up. Now we're gonna do snow angels, or as some people call them, butterflies, but not the full movement. All right, bring your arms up next to you against the wall, with your elbows and the back of your hands against the wall. Now move your arms over your head and back again. Now, if you got a stability ball at home, then use it because it's great for your body posture. If you want one at home, then I'll add one for you in the video description that you can check out. Now, all you gotta do is get on it. Drop your hips off the ball as much as you can. Bring your arms up straight over your head and just lay over the ball and stay there for 10 to 30 seconds, depending on how your body feels. Now, if you don't have a stability ball, if you don't want one, then just hang. I really mean just hang. You can do it at the gym before you do your pull-ups. Just hang on the pull-up bar. With your feet back and stretch your front side. You can do this for 30 to 50 seconds, depending on how your body feels. Now, apart from those bad habits that you have to leave and the stretching exercises that you can do to improve your body posture, you can also get these mesh back support cushion things for your chair. My wife and I use them all the time, and it makes a big difference. You don't have to sit with bad posture and back pain the whole day while working. And as always, I'll add it for you in the video description so you can check it out. Now, if you really struggle with bad body posture, then you can get a back posture support brace like this one. Many people use it and love it. You can check out all the great customer reviews about it on Amazon. Now, always remember this: good styling, good grooming, and great body posture always needs to go hand in hand. Cheers, guys.